Hi everyone, this is my e-portfolio on the website Wix. So this is the website that I've been working on for the past semester, and my number one recommendation is to just ask questions or even Google your questions that you have, because that saved me so much time when making this website, because this was the first website that I ever created, so I was very stressed out on many occasions on many things I struggled with as well, but as soon as I asked my professor questions and Googled questions, I was able to get the hang of Wix pretty fast. So this is my home page that I created. I inserted a photo of myself so that you guys know what my face looks like. I also have my major at the top so you guys know what I am majoring in. I have my educational background, and then I also have my contact information down below, which is just my Franciscan mailbox number, my email, and my phone number. So one of the things that I Googled was how to make a button how to make a button at the bottom of the page go to the top, and that is something I found out, and I was so happy that I Googled it. So that is one of the things that I recommend Googling or just spending the time to take time doing. So that is my homepage, and I also included an introduction about myself, and I just wanted it to be more inviting so you guys would take the time to look at it and also read it. I also have a domains page, and this is the 6 Danielson Domains. So we have the preparation and contact knowledge, the classroom environment, the planning, instruction, and assessment. I also have the professional responsibility and diversity and technology. So as time goes along, you guys will be able to have your artifacts for each one, and you will be able to keep on adding your artifacts for each one. One of the things that I Googled when creating my website was how to have a button go from this page to the next, and I obviously found that answer because I'm able to do it now. So this is preparation and context knowledge. You will have a definition you just have to copy and paste the definition, and obviously the professor allows you to do that with all of the domains. You will also have to write a artifact description on each artifact that you guys have. Well, not on each artifact, but just talking about your artifact, you will have to have a couple of paragraphs about it. So for this domain, I wrote about my research on the teacher evaluations in Michigan public schools. So for my articles, first I want to say this was for my Foundations of Education course that I took this semester. We had to research Michigan teachers and how they evaluate teachers there in the state of Michigan. So yes, this is a presentation that I had to create. I also wrote a paper on it as well, and I included it as artifacts. And then in the description, I also wrote about how it correlates with the preparation of being a teacher. So, for more information, for more of the artifacts and the materials and the definitions, I have another page, and it was planning, instructional, and assessment. So as you can see, I have the definition and the artifact description, and this is I have to say, out of all of the artifacts, this is my favorite one, because I loved presenting this. I also loved researching the signaling principle. I think it was also one of my favorite presentations that I've ever given as well, because I was really proud of myself because I was comfortable talking as well, and I was comfortable in the information that I knew as well, and I was confident in the information I knew. So I felt as though I was presenting, and the presentation itself wasn't presenting, if that makes sense. So I also have the lesson plan down below. So this is just what basically in words of the outcome, the materials that we need, and this is the button that would make us go to the very top. Okay, so for the next page, I have professional and responsibility. I also have the definition right here that you guys will be copying and pasting as well. And I also, for my artifact, I also have the paper that I wrote in my computers and instructional tech class. Yeah, so I'm very proud of this artifact as well. I also learned many things while writing this paper of what it means to be responsible in the classroom and how you can be responsible in the classroom. So proud of you. Anyways, so then the next domain page that I have is technology. And this was actually the first presentation that I ever created in my computer and instructional class. You guys will add your artifacts as you go along. I wouldn't say that I have a lot of artifacts because this is only my first semester as an education major. I know that once I get into, once I take children's literature, I'll have my book critiques as well. And one of the things I would have to say that I'm most proud of is how clean my website looks. I'm happy that it doesn't look ram-jammed with information, but I know as time goes on I will be able to add more artifacts and more information on the domains and how I can correspond my artifacts with the domain itself. Well guys, thank you for taking the time to look at my website and hear about what I had to say.